Wind. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my God. No. What?
Clear it, clear it. Oh. They're trying to get air up so he can get up. Stay in, stay in, stay in. Oh, Jesus.
That is scary. I always thought that was just fun. It's not just fun.
Oh, Jesus. He's hanging out. Oh, my God.
No.
Oh, my God, he's hanging.
He went down.
Did he fall? No, he didn't. Oh, Jesus.
He's going to blow up.
Please, please, please.
He's hanging off the...
Oh, my God. Oh. I hope he's not the one who runs it.
Seriously?
Oh, my God.
He stood up. He's okay.
Oh, Jesus.
That's
Oh.
not good.
Oh, my gosh.
That is not good. It was the guy running it. That's not good.
The wind just went crazy, guys.
There's somebody in there. Yeah, there's people in there.
Yeah, there's people in that basket.
Lord, please. Oh, my God.
It's gonna land on that car.
Julian, sit down. I can't see.
Gonna...
No one can control this shit?
What? Nobody's
I hope he is not the guy that's supposed to be in there.
He is.
It is. They're not hitting the...
What? Nobody in there?
No, no, no. I'm talking about the operator.
Oh!
Yeah, that was just kind of like...
Mine is going up.
No, the other one's on the
Oh!
ground. There's
That one's
one
about to
like
crash
high in
down.
the air. They're good. This one's going
He's coming down. He's coming down.
Yeah. Yeah, because the main dude got off. Yeah, he fell off. He fell off. Oh my God.
I'm recording this.
They were
Oh,
JD, get out of the way.
oh Lord.
Jamie, out of the way. That's going down.
Hopefully they're coming down in the field.
No, they're not. Look at them. They're going down. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Lord.
I hope not.
Oh.
I'm pooping pants in a second.